Every condo has a story. Now there's a place to keep it. Aina Protocol, the digital logbook for every condo in Hawaii. Owning a condo doesn't mean you're there every day. And for many owners, especially those who don't live on island, staying informed can be difficult. Updates arrive through emails, attachments, and conversations you're not always part of. When information is fragmented, it's hard to know what work has been done, when it happened, or who performed it. Over time, that lack of visibility creates uncertainty, and uncertainty can affect the value of your investment. Aina Protocol gives owners a clear view into what's happening at their building. Documents, maintenance events, and work history are organized in one place, creating a long-term record you can rely on. Instead of chasing updates, you have visibility. Aina creates accountability by documenting how a property is cared for over time. Work is logged, events are recorded, and when contractors are involved, owners can see that work is being performed by licensed and insured professionals. That clarity protects everyone, especially the owner. Well-documented properties are easier to manage, easier to understand, and better positioned to hold their value over time. Aina Protocol helps preserve not just records, but confidence in how a property is maintained. Because when you own property, visibility matters. Aina Protocol helps owners stay informed, protected, and confident, even when they're not there.